Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can find, open and remove the mine filter, and we have the ROIDMI robot vacuum. So, in the first step, remove the dust bin container. If you're curious how you can do it, just push this trigger and leave it to your side. The filter is located on the top of this part. You need to release this gray trigger and lift up the filter. You cannot just remove it from this plastic form, so this is a full filter. If you want to clean it, use the compressed air. If you want to clean it with the water, remember to dry it for 24 hours before the next use. If you have a new filter, just install it. Start from this side and push on the trigger. Then install the dustbin container like before, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.